Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening and thank you for tuning into a brand new episode of The Nation Wants to Know. I'm Deepthi Sachdeva. The Nation and even I would want to know today that why is the man called Simranjit Singh Mann, who's a former MP, still a free man? Why has the centre or the Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab still not arrested that man? Can we allow the kind of comments that he has made now to be normalized, where he says कि कंगना को रेप का experience होगा? Is that the kind of politics, remember, that the country should be known for? And should we allow such people to roam free? I quickly want to get you details of this big top focus story, as we have seen a lot of reactions coming in on that. As we are looking at this man, this is Simranjit Singh Mann. He's a former member of parliament from Punjab. This man is still a free man in spite of making the remarks that he has made against Kangna. Why is the centre not acting against him? And why is the state government of Punjab, led by the Aam Aadmi Party, led by Bhagwant Singh Mann, also quiet? Because if you hear what he has said, you know, being in the news business, we've seen and reported many of such comments, but I think what he has said vis-a-vis Kangna, a lot of you might not agree with what Kangna has said. Even I don't. But that is not the point. If you do not agree with Kangna, that does not give you the license to go and make a comment as low and as vile as this former MP has done. Without wasting time, first up, I want you to take a moment to listen in to the comment that has been made by this man, a former MP. And then I will also ask governments across, remember, not just the centre but the state, that why have they allowed him to be a free man? First up, exactly what he said.
कंगना रनौत जो सांसद हैं, उनका बयान आया, किसान आंदोलन में रेप और मर्डर हुए। अगर बीजेपी की सरकार ना होती तो पंजाब का वो हाल होता जो बांग्लादेश का हुआ है।
मैं कहना तो नहीं चाहता, रेनॉल्ड साहब को रेप का तो बहुत तजर्बा है, उनसे आगे पूछ सकते हैं कि कैसे होता है रेप, तो लोगों को समझाया जाए कि रेप कैसे होता है।
उनको कैसे तजर्बा है?
तजर्बा जैसे होता है, आप अगर साइकिल चलाते हैं तो साइकिल चलाने का तजर्बा नहीं होता, तो उनको रेप का तजर्बा है।
So see what he says. He says कंगना से पूछिए, उनको रेप का तजुर्बा होगा, उनको रेप का एक्सपीरियंस होगा. How low can people actually stoop? And again I reiterate, for how long will we have our, women, whether they are a member of parliament, whether it's a 31-year-old doctor who was raped and brutalized in Bengal, or whether it's just, toddlers of 3 and 4 years who are kind of not just violated physically, even mentally, almost day in and day out. Who's responsible for all this? Remember, a lot of parties will now today also come and raise questions on Kangna on the kind of comments that she has made. They must do that. But there is a distinction, because in spite of whatever Kangna has said, in spite of the fact that you might not agree with her politically or otherwise, this does not give you any license to go and make a comment like this man has vis-a-vis Kangna. What you're reading on your screens again are details of the kind of comments that have been made, and also Kangna, remember, has responded to this. Kangna has said that she does not want to, even speak of a comment like this, because she says that I've continuously been getting rape and murder threats. This does not bother me anymore. Imagine any woman saying that I continuously get rape and death threats in the country. And then you have a former MP who has actually said something as vulgar, as crass as saying, Kangna se पूछिए, usko rape ka tajrba hoga, and no government is wanting to act against him. Multiple times she has also said that I'm not going to cower down to any kind of, threats like this. I will continue to do what I have always been doing. Listen in to what we've heard from Kangna earlier today.
अगर इस तरह से आर्टिस्ट की जो है वो आवाज़ को दबाया जाएगा और एक फ़िल्म को, मेरी क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी को, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों ने बंदूकें तान दी हैं, हमारे माथे पे रख दी है, तो बंदूकों से तो हम डरने वाले हैं नहीं। और आज मुझे रेप थ्रेट्स भी आ रहे हैं कि कंगना को पता है कि रेप क्या होता है, तो वो मुझे एक तरह से रेप की भी धमकियाँ दे रहे हैं, तो इस तरह से वो मेरी आवाज़ नहीं दबा सकते हैं।
तो कंगना सेज मुझे बहुत सारी धमकियां आ रही हैं, लेकिन इन धमकियों से मैं चुप नहीं बैठूंगी. Now I want to expose the hypocrisy. The same Congress party you would recall, whose leader Supriya Srinath, in fact it was her Instagram account that had again made a very crass comment vis-a-vis Kangna. Just, moments after she gets a ticket for the Lok Sabha from Mandi constituency, someone from Supriya Srineth's account had actually posted, "Kya bhav chal raha hai Mandi mein? Koi batayega." We remember this because we debated this here on The Nation Wants to Know. Did anything happen? Did any heads roll? Did any action happen? Did anyone apologize to Kangna? The answer again is no. So look at the same Congress party today that does not want to call out this man, the former MP today, for his comments, but they have a bone and an axe to grind with Kangna. The Congress's response to this story.
अगर कंगना रनौत के बारे में कुछ लोगों ने ऐसा बोला भी है, मैं असहमत हूँ, तो इस महिला को भी अपनी जुबान पर नियंत्रण रखना चाहिए। क्या महिला को यह कहना ठीक है कि किसान बलात्कारी है? एक तरफा होता है क्या? उनको लाइसेंस दे रखा है।
जो आपके पेट को भरता है अन्न पैदा करके, उसके ऊपर आप आरोप लगा रही हैं कि वहाँ रेप होते थे, लाशें टांग दी जाती थी। मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ उस एयरपोर्ट पे जिसकी ड्यूटी लगी थी, कांस्टेबल थी, एक लपड़ इसके चेहरे पे मारा था। इस तरह की वारदात ना हो, यदि बंद कर दे इस तरह पवित्र उद्देश्य से किए गए कार्यों के प्रति भर्त्सना करना, ऐसी महिलाओं पे इन्हें वापस बम्बई लौट जाना चाहिए। राजनीति के रास्ते इनके लिए ठीक नहीं हैं।
So Congress netas are talking of Kangna ki zaban. Imagine that is how low the politics in the country really has come down to. And I really hope and pray that we do not hear more of these comments, at least on the course of this debate. And it's a very serious debate. We'll have questions for everyone today. I would say good evening to Sushil Pandit, who's a noted activist, and he feels very, very strongly about the entire issue. I'm told Rami Desai is also an author on the show. We also have Akashdeep Muni, who's a political analyst. He leans towards the Aam Aadmi Party. Shyam Prasad Mekhaji, senior leader of the Congress on the show. And we also have Shivraj Singh Ji, who's a farm leader, who's also joining us. And सबसे पहले शिवराज सिंह जी आपसे ही शुरुआत करते हैं। ये किस तरह की भाषा का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है? आप जस्टिफाई करेंगे इस तरह की भाषा को?
देखो, भारतीय किसान में लोकशक्ति किसी भी विवादित बयान को नहीं करती है, लेकिन एक राजनेताओं का चलन हो गया है कि कोई विवादित बयान दो और अपनी टीआरपी बढ़ाओ। आज हमारा देश किस तरफ जा रहा है? जो देश की बड़ी पंचायत में बैठते हैं, कंगना रनौत जी भी पब्लिक की चुनी हुई गई हैं, और वो अकाली दल के जो नेता है सिमरत जी, वो भी बड़ी पंचायत में पहले बैठ चुके हैं। लेकिन एक चलन हो गया अपनी टीआरपी बढ़ाने के लिए।
नहीं, कौन अपनी टीआरपी बढ़ा रहा है?
एक मिनट सुन लो मेरी। नहीं
शिवराज जी, सुनिए सर, मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि कौन अपनी टीआरपी बढ़ा रहा है यहाँ पर? आप कंगना की तरफ इशारा कर रहे हैं?
मैं दोनों की तरफ कह रहा हूं और दोनों के बयानों का समर्थन नहीं करता हूं मैं।
कमाल है, कैसे कंगना के खिलाफ? देखिए, आप डिसएग्री करते हैं, उससे मैं जानती हूं, आप उसको हेट करते हैं, आप उसे नापसंद करते हैं, पर इसका यह मतलब नहीं है कि इस तरह की भाषा का इस्तेमाल किया जाए। आकाशदीप मुनि, आती हूँ सर, आऊंगी आपके पास, मुझे फटाफट आकाशदीप के पास जाना है। आकाशदीप, व्हाट इज द आम आदमी पार्टी गवर्नमेंट डूइंग इन पंजाब? व्हाई इज दिस मैन स्टिल अ फ्री मैन? व्हाई हैव यू नॉट अरेस्टेड हिम?
I think sooner Simranjit Singh Maan will be arrested as the way goes.
What are you waiting for? You're waiting for him to make another remark like this?
No. Today I want to, at your channel, I just want to question why this, whatever Kangna has said, but whatever this man has said is not only derogatory, but it is repulsive.
So who's the government in Punjab? Akashdeep, who's the government in Punjab?
I'll come to you, ma'am. I totally think that this man should be arrested. Sooner he will be arrested.
Why has he not been arrested is what I'm asking you. Everyone knows he should be arrested. Had it been any other citizen right now who would have made such a crass and a vile and a derogatory remark, he would have been behind the bars. Are you also doing this because you have an axe to grind with Kangana? Are you doing this? That's why.
No. I totally don't support these type of comments, and I even said that this man should not have been allowed to fight elections. Why Bharatiya Janata Party allowed him to fight elections?
I'm talking about today. At least 6 hours have passed since this man made this remark. Why have you not arrested him?
I am sure that sooner or later, Simranjit Singh Maan from Shiromani Akali Dal Amritsar group will be arrested. As his comment goes, it is repulsive and I'm shocked that like engineer Rashid, why he was allowed, this Khalistani was allowed to fight elections. I'm
Why
shocked.
have you allowed him to be a free man? May I ask you this now?
No, it is 6 hours now, no?
So
It
how
is
long
6
will you
hours.
take? How long will you take? Tell me, you will take
No,
16
how long-
hours, 60
see,
hours,
see.
or 60 days? How long?
See, I'm not here to because I don't represent the Home Ministry in Punjab government. But today I must say that as the statement goes of Simranjit Singh Maan, sooner or later he will be arrested.
What is this assurance, Sushil Pandit? I don't understand. Sooner or later, this man will be arrested. We know there are elections in Haryana. We know the Kisan vote, the Jat vote, everything is important for all political parties. Akashdeep, your party wasted no time to protest on the streets with the kind of comments Kangana made. Rightfully so. You should have protested. No one agrees with what she has said. But does that, Sushil, give us a license to wait and watch? Let's understand the situation कि अपना politically कितना फायदा होगा, Sushil, and only then we'll go in for arresting this man.
This is pathetic. The same Punjab government sent a police force to pick up Bagga from Tilak Nagar in Delhi
Exactly.
for a much, much lesser alleged offense. You know, this is a pathetic day. We have seen not only crass misogyny, we are trivializing rape when the entire country is up in arms against rape. This is what is happening. Where is the sensitivity gone? And over and above, we have sexualized an entire profession. Our actresses work hard at their success, entertain us, show us their talent, and you demean them by sexualizing them in this manner. This is crass. And he's not just an ex-MP. Deepti, he is a retired IPS officer. He is educated. He represents creme de la creme of our professional society. If this is the state, if this is what we expect from people like him, where is the hope as far as the common masses are concerned who are unlettered, unwashed? It is frightening
You know,
to see
Sushil,
this
I'm
mentality.
jumping in here because my team tells me that we have a quick breaking update. So I'm just going to get up. I'm just going to go to the screens. You know, Akashdeep, when you allow such people a free run, this is what happens. He's giving you lectures. He's sermonizing. Look at what Simranjit Singh Maan says on the social media. He says rape is an institutional weapon used against women. The Indian state has used it against minorities, he says, like Sikhs in Delhi, Punjab and Haryana, and in Nagaland, Manipur, Assam and Jammu and Kashmir. So if you thought he will have any remorse, he will apologize. We are all absolutely wrong. He says for 40 years, we've had no justice for the crimes committed against Sikh women in Trilokpuri, while perpetrators of this crime have been glorified, rewarded by the BJP like KPS Gill, the late Chief Minister Beant Singh's family, and the Haryana Chief Minister, he says, Manohar Lal Khattar, who stated that after the abrogation of Article 370, that now we will send Barats to Kashmir. Then he says the BJP MP from Mandi doesn't find fault with the state, only with the Sikhs and farmers. This goes on to show a deep-rooted hate for a particular community. So Akashdeep, this is a political response. This is a political problem right now when you look at the entire story, Akashdeep. So the more I think you allow this man to be a free man, this is what he'll do, Akashdeep. Will you even now say sooner or later action hoga, we'll do something? Because look at what he's done. He's obviously played politics. He's speaking about the Sikhs. He's speaking about the farmers, and he has zero word of remorse against what he has said.
No, Deepti ji, I totally agree with you on this. This is a political statement. And you know who fought Simranjit Singh Maan?
Don't tell me
Specifically,
this. Don't tell me this. Don't cite history to justify your case. Mr. Mecca.
No, I'm not
Mr. Mecca.
citing history.
Okay, Mr. Mecca. We've heard responses that have come in from the Congress party also. जो ये कहते हैं कि कंगना को अपनी जबान देखनी चाहिए.
Yeah, see, that's a different kind of issue. What Kangana needs to do is not the point here. Mr. Maan's comment is very crass and tasteless and is actually reprehensible. It's as simple as that. So, what kind of a political discourse we are endorsing? That's the question. So, as far as going to what Kangana's other stuff are concerned, that's a different debate. That's not about this, right? So, where is the question? Simply, we just need to condemn this man's comment and we need to alert our political system to be mindful of the language that they
Absolutely.
use or the
I'm
way
glad,
they
Mr.
speak.
Mecca, I'm glad that you're saying this. But not very long ago, there was one statement that was put out on the Instagram handle of Supriya Srinath.
Okay.
I'm sure you remember that comment.
Yeah, I remember.
ठीक है, क्या भाव चल रहा है मंडी में? कोई बताएगा. Can you tell me what is the action that the party has taken? Anyone?
No, wait a minute. Dipti, now, I was very frank with you in this discussion. Now I see a clear-cut attempt to try to put the Congress, especially in the dark. Supriya Srinath has clearly clarified about her statement. She made her position very clear.
Okay.
Now you bringing it back. Now see, the point is, now you expect me to go back and list out all the things that are done by all other parties?
No, because all of you are guilty. Mr. Mecca, these questions hurt you. These questions also hurt us. Whether it is Akashdeep Muni, whether it is you, whether it's anyone from the BJP, Rami, we will ask questions to everyone. Because nothing happens. No, Mr. Mecca. Supriya then, I am not saying it's Supriya who had actually, put this out. But someone used her account to put out this comment, to which Supriya apologized. But then that's about it. An apology at times is not good enough. You can't say this to someone कि आपका रेट क्या चल रहा है मंडी में और उसके बाद सॉरी बोल देंगे.
Okay. Very good. Nice narrative. I'm not going to fall into it. Let me ask you a question. Somebody wrote a book saying सफाई कर्मचारी को philosophical शांति मिलते हैं काम करने से. Did you question them?
Mr. Mecca,
Did you?
देखिए ना.
Wait a minute.
Mr. Mecca, why are you doing this? You are one of the better spokespersons of the Congress party. One of the better ones, sir. And so is Akashdeep. But today, both of you are indulging in whataboutery to justify why both parties have failed. And if we had a BJP spokesperson right now, Rami, the only obvious question is, why has the center also not arrested this man? Are they scared? Are they scared of the fallout? Kangna and her prestige does not matter to anyone. Why? Because Kangna is that, hot potato, that hot political football, that issue that can be used by all political parties.
Deepti, good evening. I'm glad to be on this show because what I'm hearing is absolutely atrocious. Let me make a couple of points first. Number one, like the previous panelist said, that this has become almost, this sort of misogyny, insult has become the norm now, and it's okay to say it, nobody cares about it, and it keeps getting worse and worse and worse. Whatever Kangana said, I'm a Bangladesh observer, I'm a Myanmar observer, I may not agree with her, I may not agree with some of her other statements, but if I took offense to it or if I didn't agree with it, I would debate that. What are we debating here is an assault on her being a woman, because it's an easy pot shot to take. We are not arguing on the basis of what she said, whether it's right or, whether it has any sort of geopolitical basis, nothing like that. The mind doesn't matter when it comes to a woman, because it's easy to take a personal attack at her. And unfortunately, I was on your debate earlier on and we were talking about what's happening in West Bengal.
Absolutely.
Unfortunately, I have to say this, that women's issues have to be over and above politics, The previous Congress panelist was trying to make it into a political issue. Sir, it is not a political issue. It is an assault on my senses. It is an assault on, I think, every woman who hears this. So a decent and intelligent woman cannot be an actor. You're saying usko Bombay वापस भेज दो. Do you think that you may not agree with Kangana's point of view, but she cannot make a point of view like this because eventually there's going to be a personal attack on her? How do you expect women to enter politics or the public domain with this sort of constant assault on their integrity and a question on their morality? So you have to look at the larger picture, sir. You cannot make this about, somebody said this and somebody said that, you didn't take action. Women have been made into scapegoats for political score settling. And I think this is what I'm seeing on this debate as well, which is very shameful.
Absolutely. And Rami, this was just, I think, about 2 days ago. No, Mr. Mecca, आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं. हम भी परेशान हो चुके हैं सर, सेम सवाल पूछते हैं, किसी का कोई जवाब नहीं आता. दिस इज लाइक अ फिक्स्ड मैच बिटवीन ऑल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज.
No.
Shakti Yadav, who's a senior spokesperson of the RJD.
Very clear.
RJD, that is a part of the India Alliance, Mr. Mecca. He said, नाचने गाने वाली पर क्या बात करेंगे? किस तरह की भाषा का आप लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं? तभी तो सिमरनजीत सिंह मान जैसे लोगों की हिम्मत बढ़ती है कि वो इस तरह का कमेंट देते हैं और उसके बाद ट्वीट करते हैं, पॉलिटिक्स खेलते हैं, और आकाशदीप मुनि और उनकी पार्टी और भाजपा और उनके तमाम लोग खामोश बैठे. आकाशदीप,
Deepti, today I will not say the words that has been uttered by Kangana, but because the words that I heard from Simranjit Singh Mann is not only crass, but how can it shows the mentality. And on your channel I am saying he is not even a Punjabi, because a Punjabi cannot speak like this. Today I totally agree with you that a suo motu cognizance should be taken of his comments.
So what is your Chief Minister Bhagwant Singh Mann doing? What is your Chief Minister Bhagwant Singh Mann doing?
Yes, I'm sure that Bhagwant Singh Mann government will take action against him as he has fought since ages. Since last
कैसे लेंगे? वो किसानों की बातें कर रहे हैं. आपको हरियाणा में चुनाव लड़ना है, दिक्कत यही होती है ना, क्योंकि आप लोग अपना वोट बैंक देखते हैं. आकाशदीप, no, there is a huge problem when it comes to all this. Before I have put out a breaking update, I quickly want to get in शिवराज सिंह जी, जो फार्म नेता है. अब शिवराज सिंह जी, आप देखिए, सिमरनजीत सिंह मान तो तमाम सोशल मीडिया का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, वो राजनीति कर रहे हैं सर. वो इसलिए क्योंकि तमाम नेता लोग, और हो सकता है किसान भी आंदोलित हो कि किस तरह का उसने कंगना ने बयान दिया था, पर चाहे कुछ भी हो, इस तरह का बयान जस्टिफाइड नहीं हो सकता है ना सर.
एक मिनट मेरी बात ध्यान से सुन ले. मध्य प्रदेश में मालवा का पीला सोना कहने वाला सोयाबीन है जो आज 10 साल पुराने रेट पे बिक रहा है. भारतीय किसान यूनियन लोक शक्ति वहां प्रोटेस्ट कर रही है अपने सोयाबीन के उचित मूल्य के लिए. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री राष्ट्रपति जी के नाम ज्ञापन प्रेषित कर रही है. अब उनको कोई सांसद रेपिस्ट कहे, बांग्लादेश की उपाधि कहे और सरकार चुप बैठी रहे, उनके खिलाफ कोई एफआईआर तक ना करे, ये भी तो सही नहीं है.
देखिए, शिवराज जी, आप इतने सीनियर हैं सर, आपको इतना एक्सपीरियंस है सर, आप तो नेताओं की तरह बात मत करिए ना सर.
अरे भाई मेरी बात तो सुन लो. मैं समरजीत जो अकाली दल के नेता ने बयान दिया उसकी निंदा करता हूं, मैं उसका समर्थन नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन कंगना जी को भी किसानों को बलात्कार या बांग्लादेशी कहने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है. उस पर भी सरकार.
सर, आप अपने ही बयान को हल्का कर देते हैं शिवराज जी. जब आप ये बात बोलते हैं ना मिस्टर मेको और आकाशदीप की तरह, आप भी अपने बयान को हल्का कर देते हैं सर.
क्यों नहीं जेल भेजा? आज सोयाबीन के मूल्य के लिए हमें आंदोलन करना.
सर लड़िए ना, आंदोलन करिए, बट किसी को ये बोलना कि जिस तरह साइकिल चलाने का आपको तजुर्बा होता है, साइकिल चलाने का एक्सपीरियंस होता है, कंगना से पूछिए, मिस्टर मेका एंड आकाशदीप, दिस मैन द फॉर्मर MP सुशील सेज कि वैसे ही कंगना को रेप का तजुर्बा होगा. सुशील, why is the center also not acting?
Deepti, yes, good question. This man is not some greenhorn. He's in his 80s. He has his daughters and perhaps granddaughters now at home. If this is the attitude towards a woman, then I shudder to think and this is what he is doing in public, in front of a mic. When asked to elaborate, he digs himself deeper in a hole. He is embarrassing himself, not just the entire country and the parliament he was part of. It is incredibly huge coming from a man like him who seeks to represent a community. He called his party Shiromani Akali Dal Amritsar. I think this man is deranged. He needs medical help. He was deranged when he tried to enter parliament for the first time with a sword naked in his hand. And he was told that you cannot, and he was disqualified. This time, he has surpassed that limit. It is incredible to hear from him. This man should be actually giving us some lessons in moderation. On the contrary, he behaves like a renegade teenager. Nothing better can be expected of him. But bigger problem is, that those who try to weigh both the things, Kangana's some earlier statement and this statement in the same way, this equivocalness, this equating the two in order to dilute this is equally reprehensible. You are doing the lip service of condemning a statement and then go on to defend it by blaming the victim. This victim bashing immediately after perfunctory condemnation of the statement is again, clever by half.
Absolutely. And
This is not on.
Sushil, I agree with that outrage. I second it. And Rami, before I come to you, we have a quick breaking update. We are learning the Haryana Women's Commission now has taken suo motu cognizance of the matter. They've issued a notice to the Akali Dal President Simranjeet Singh Mann over that entire comment against Kangana. The commission has given him a 5-day deadline to apologize, they say. Ki sorry मांग लीजिए, माफी मांग लीजिए. And also file a reply to the Haryana Women's Commission. Rami, can you beat this? This man is being told माफी मांग लीजिए. 5 दिन का वक्त भी उनको दे दिया है. I mean, why are governments right now, Rami, so reluctant? Why are they dragging their feet when it comes to action against him? The same BJP is out on the streets protesting against Mamata Banerjee because of the alleged lapses. Do they not see a fit case here to arrest this man?
Absolutely. I think, Deepthi, there is no question that we all agree on this, that there should be an immediate addressal to this situation. But having said that, let me say this. What's even more shocking is over and above what he said, his defense is of, as far as I'm concerned, of cowardice, because he's trying to build some amount of consensus with the Sikh community to come into his defense, wherein he's saying that, this only happens with this community. It doesn't matter if you're Sikh. This is what we're saying over and over again. These divisions don't matter. Women's problems, women's issues are issues by themselves and have to be looked at with all seriousness, without politicizing it or without trying to, trivialize it the way he has. I can't repeat the same things that he said. And, like Sushil ji said, he is the age of my grandfather. These are people who should be, people that we should be able to idolize, not people that we should be looking at with shame. So I think there should be, apology is not enough. An apology should not be enough for Kangana, and it shouldn't be enough for any woman in the country.
And Rami, I don't understand that, when it comes to issues like these, all political parties are united. You, I, Sushil, we get outraged. But all these netas will have a defense. कि देखिए ये बोला था इसलिए ऐसे भी हुआ है, अरे पहले भी ये बोला गया था, आप हमसे ऐसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं. Mr. Mecca, will this whataboutery ever end? You have leaders in the Congress party who have said ladki hoon, lad sakti hoon. You have called out Mamata Banerjee even belatedly, but you don't want president's rule in Bengal. You don't want this man to be arrested.
No, wait.
You have a problem with Kangana, Mr. Mecca, and you still will say कि हमारी मोहब्बत की दुकान है.
Okay, if your monologue is completed, I can answer. Because your monologue contains assumptions. You say, we don't want any action in Bengal. We don't want anything to be done. All these are your assumptions. Keep that aside. Politicize mat kijiye. And it has become a habit for everybody to simply say, all netas are like this. Don't normalize that, please.
Mr. Mecca, I don't often do this, and I don't do this often on the show. No. Wait, sir, because now you've launched a full frontal attack. I have only asked you one question, only one example. Vis-a-vis the Supriya Srinath case, can you tell me one person that you ensured got arrested or penalized for the kind of comments that were made through the handle of Supriya Srinath?
No, 1 second. I will give you an example of the hypocrisy and misogyny within us. Sushil, while actually getting outraged, is talking about this man's daughters and granddaughters. What they have got to do with this? What kind of a language is it?
No,
in our mind, in our language, there is misogyny. Yes, you.
Mr. Mecca, why are you deflecting? You are serious about the cause of
You have
women,
misogyny
right?
in your head.
You are telling me that we are
Don't
hypocrites.
preach
We are
let us.
hypocrites, right?
Yes.
Rami,
You don't preach.
Rami,
I'm
then,
referring
no,
to
then
his
you tell me,
page.
Mr. Mehta, what is the action that you took against anyone who used that account to say, क्या भाव चल रहा है मंडी में, कोई बताएगा? हमें बताइए क्या एक्शन लिया आपने? कितने लोगों को पकड़ा आपने?
Are we the government? Are we the government? Supriya Srinath apologized and clarified
नहीं
it.
नहीं, सुनिए ये मत बोलिए मिस्टर मेका. Mr. Mehta, Supriya Srinath, at that point we were told that she has given the access of her account to someone. So we will
Dipti,
find out who had access to the account and who had put out this distasteful comment. तो उसके लिए आपको
Dipti,
सरकार की जरूरत है पता लगाने के लिए कि किसने किया था.
Nah, Dipti, your viewers are clearly seeing through this that whatever happens, आप लोग कांग्रेस को खटगरे में खड़े रहने का कोशिश करते हैं.
अरे क्यों
यहाँ
इतनी
का
सेल्फ
point
इम्पोर्टेंस
क्या
में
है?
रहते हैं? नहीं मिस्टर
यहाँ का
मेका, आज
point
नहीं
क्या है?
सर, आज नहीं. आज चाहे आप हो, चाहे भारतीय जनता पार्टी हो, चाहे आम आदमी पार्टी हो, सब लोग सर सवालों के घेरे में हैं. ना बीजेपी ने कोई एक्शन लिया है, ना आम आदमी पार्टी ने कोई एक्शन लिया है. कांग्रेस ने भी सुप्रिया श्रीनेत वाले केस में कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया.
अब भी मीडिया वालों ने दलाल है.
अरे प्लीज मिस्टर मेका, watch your words, sir, please.
Watch your words.
Watch your words, sir, please. This is the problem. Exactly the problem, no, Mr. Mehta. तभी सिमरनजीत सिंह मान बोल सकते हैं कि कंगना को रेप का एक्सपीरियंस होगा और आप यहाँ बैठे जर्नलिस्ट को कहते हैं कि आप दलाल हैं. सवाल पूछे तो दलाल बन जाते हैं. And that is the Congress party. That is the Congress party for you, Mr. Mehta. नफरत की दुकान. आप कहते हैं आप सबसे अलग हैं.
Can call all parties. I can't call all media. Arey, what kind of equality
Who
is
gives
this?
you the right to call the media dalal because you get offended by questions?
Who gives the right to call all parties?
We are voters. We are citizens. We have all the right in the world to ask questions.
You don't
like the question, don't answer it.
You can't pass judgments. I am also a citizen.
You tell me the action that you've taken against anyone in the Supriya Srinath case, sir. I've been asking you very politely, at least for the last few minutes. Can you name people? Can you name people that you have booked and acted against?
No, now Kangana Ranaut is gone out of the window.
Why will she go out of the window? You want her to go out of the window.
What are you talking about?
We are only talking about her. And that is why Supriya Srinath had made this comment. कि क्या रेट चल रहा है मंडी में?
Wait, some 3 months ago. Now you left
So what?
Kangana Ranaut.
You think people will forget क्योंकि 3 महीने पहले की बात है?
Call this dalali media. That is why.
What is this dalali media? किस तरह की भाषा का आप उपयोग करते हैं, Mr. Mehta? Not expected, at least from you. Sushil.
No.
I do not want to have this conversation, Mr. Mehta, on this level with you, please. You want to deflect attention? Please do that. We are right on our point. And this shows us, Sushil, the discomfort of all political parties. Once you start asking them questions, they hate us. Mamata Banerjee had actually said that her top cop believes that it's the media after that malicious propaganda, and that is why you have so much crime against women in Bengal. BJP has a problem the moment you ask them questions about women's safety, about Brij Bhushan and everyone. The Congress also has a problem once you show the mirror to them. Then what should we do, Sushil?
You know, this veneer of carefully cultivated sophistication doesn't take even slight bit of heat of questions. And you were perhaps speaking a bit too soon when you said he is one of the better representatives of Congress. He's shown the true colors and of the party he represents. Much less said the better. The problem is, as you said, in less or more measure across the political spectrum,
Mr. Mehta, at least please listen to him. Please listen to him, sir.
Why should I listen to him?
Please listen to fellow panelists. He's extended you the same courtesy.
No, he need to
I
speak
have
about the
seen
issue.
politicians.
You have no
There are
right
good
to
politicians.
talk about
Why are you getting
And
so
there are
worked
not so
up?
good
Why are you getting so worked up, Mr. Mehta?
No, he is talking about me. He is passing judgments about me. Talk about the issue, no? Who gave you the right?
I'm airing
See,
my
you
opinion.
get so offended in just a matter of a few seconds. And
You
this
talked
lady
about me a few seconds
Kangna, who's been fighting this entire mindset, in spite of whatever, she says. You don't agree with it, I respect it. Even I don't agree with it. But that does not mean that you will say everything and anything to her, Mr. Mehta, that is the problem.
I unequivocally oppose, condemn this Mr. Maan, and he is very reprehensible. His mind is full of misogyny. What
However,
else can I say?
Okay, of course you're helpless because in the Supriya Srinath case, you haven't taken action.
No, see, come on.
Now that is settled. That
That's
is settled.
why
Let
it is
Sushil at least make his point. Let him make his point, then you can maybe come back later. Sushil.
So Deepti, when it is politically untenable, all they resort to is lip service, is verbosity, is just empty words that mean nothing because their actions are to the contrary. And even when it comes to just lip service, they contradict themselves in the very next breath by raising non-issues, by equivocating on this very issue, by blaming the victim, by raising questions, by resorting to whataboutery. This is where they expose themselves. And you've done a very good job. You must, and all media must do this because they get away with lip service to the issues and we think that they have taken a big, nice position. Sorry, that is not the case. Time and again, they have failed us. Time and again, they have failed women of this country. Time and again, they have exposed themselves on gender issues. And this is yet another example in a long list of such issues.
Absolutely. And before I get in Akashdeep and Rami, शिवराज सिंह साहब, अब आप देखिए ये पूरी कॉन्वर्सेशन सर कहाँ जा रही है. हरियाणा में चुनाव आने वाले हैं, तो किसी भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी की हिम्मत नहीं हो रही है इस समय कि सिमरनजीत सिंह मान को पकड़ ले, उनको जेल में डाल दे. आपको नहीं लगता कि वही उनकी जगह है, असली जगह वही है?
जी, मैं पहले ही सिमरनजीत सिंह मान के बयान की निंदा करता हूं. भारतीय किसान लोक शक्ति ऐसे किसी भी बयान का समर्थन नहीं करती है, लेकिन कंगना रनौत जी को भी देश के अन्नदाता को बलात्कारी या बांग्लादेश की उपाधि देना,
अरे सर क्या फिर वही दिक्कत हो रही है ना, आप भी तो बैलेंस कर रहे हैं ना.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि क्रिया की प्रतिक्रिया देना भी उचित नहीं है.
नहीं, अब ये क्रिया प्रक्रिया एक्शन रिएक्शन
देश संविधान से चलता है. देश के अन्नदाता
तो किस संविधान में ये लिखा है कि अगर आप किसी की बात से अग्री नहीं करते तो इस तरह की धमकी देंगे और इस तरह की भाषा का इस्तेमाल करेंगे? ये तो और बुरा हुआ ना सर,
बलात्कारी नहीं हो सकता,
क्योंकि ये तो जानबूझकर किया जा रहा है. ये जानबूझकर ये बयान दिया गया है.
मध्य प्रदेश में सोयाबीन के रेट मानता है और उनको 10 साल पुराना रेट मिल रहा है. अब वो अपना आंदोलन करे, उनको कोई बलात्कारी कह दे, बांग्लादेशी कह दे, ये भी तो सही नहीं है. लेकिन मैं कह रहा हूँ क्रिया की प्रतिक्रिया भी देना उचित नहीं है. संवैधानिक भाषा बोलनी चाहिए. असंवैधानिक भाषा का हम
तो आप ये कहेंगे कि किसानों को, क्योंकि आप सिमरनजीत सिंह मान ने किसानों की हित की बातें लिखने लग गए हैं, वो आप लोगों के हित में लिख रहे हैं, तो आप ये बोलेंगे कि आपको उनका सपोर्ट नहीं चाहिए और उनको जेल में बंद करना चाहिए, ये बात बोलेंगे आप?
अगर अकाली दल के नेता पे कार्रवाई होती है तो वो कंगना रनौत पे भी कार्रवाई हो, उन्होंने भी देश के अन्नदाता को.
देखिए आप वही आप पहुंच गए ना सर, कि अगर वहां आप कार्रवाई करें तो यहाँ भी करिए.
दोनों पे होनी चाहिए.
तो ये तो राजनीति हुई ना, ये आप महिला के हित की बात तो नहीं कर रहे. आप मुझे बताइए कि इस तरह का कोई फॉर्मर मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है सर, वो इस तरह की बात कर सकता है?
दोनों पे कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए.
Rami, I'll give you the last word.
I just want to come in for a quick comment. I heard what the Congress spokesperson said, and he proved my point on national television, that when we respond to a woman, whether we like what we said or not is not of consequence. We don't want to respond to her mind or to her analysis or to the facts that she's presenting. We want to attack her personally, and that becomes problematic. Because you push him to a corner, that kind of language immediately came out. What does that say? Like Sushilji said, maybe you spoke too soon. I also initially thought that maybe there is some balance in this debate, but clearly, sir, representing a big party like the Congress, it's very disappointing to see that you would use language like this when there's a female anchor sitting there instead of countering her with facts. So this constant trivialization of our intelligence is a problem, and I think this is what is continuously happening, and that is why women's issues are never taken seriously across party lines. And I think, I would just, like to end this by saying that this is unacceptable, this kind of language. Somebody is using this language or dalal, somebody is saying, tum naachne wali ho. I mean, where is this acceptable, and why should we be accepting this as a public discourse? We should be questioning our society, we should be questioning our representatives, our political leaders, and people like Mr. Maan, instead of trying to be a coward and create a defense by saying, oh, Sikh women, this happens. Even self-respecting Sikh women would say, no, this is not just about Sikh women, this is about women across boundaries.
The problem is our politician, Rami. I think that is the real problem. There is no will to act against such cases unless you kind of figure out whether this is politically prudent, Sushil, for you to do or not. So right now, all governments are waiting and watching कि क्या action लेना चाहिए, अगर लेंगे तो उससे कितना नफा होगा, कितना नुकसान होगा. But Rami, we hear this often. Mr. Mecca is not the only one. To Mr. Mecca and to everyone else, who believes that they can make such remarks at us because we ask them questions, we say, bring it on. Bring it on, we will respond to you. Thank you, Rami, and all gentlemen for joining us. We will watch whether the centre or the Aam Aadmi Party government or the BJP government in Haryana takes action against this man or not, who says कि कंगना को रेप का एक्सपीरियंस होगा. Thank you for watching. On the other side, lots more.